we're going to put 4 columns in on a web page. This web page is the amenities web page for Ramada Inn. And to do that, first I go to Pages, and I've actually created a amenities page, and I actually have the live one here. But this one is the one we're going to create, and it's going to replace this. So I'm going to go into Edit. What we're going to put in our column builder, which is this icon right here. And we have a total of 960 pixels wide. And I got 2 pictures I'm putting in that are 200 pixels wide. And then I'm putting in bullet points to the left of one, and I'm putting some general information to the right of another. So first we're going to add our first column right to 0, and like I mentioned before, our picture is 200 pixels wide. I did mention that we're going to be putting stuff to the left of this image, but I meant the right. And I'm just going to pick 1 as a placeholder in this particular column at this time. I'm going to add another one, and since we're bulleting this, I'm going to put this right up against it. And I'm putting in another picture, but before I do that, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put text 1 just as a placeholder. Add another column, and this time I want some space, and I'm going to add 20 pixels of space between the two. Actually 40 pixels, I'm sorry, I lied. And this is going to be pick 2. Then we're going to put some text about that picture to the right of it in its own column, and this time I'm just going to put a buffer of 20 pixels or so, and all the way to the end. And this is going to be text 2. And then we click Add Column. All right, here you can see our 4 columns. When we add pictures, we're going to be doing it through Add Media. When we're going to do text, we're actually going to highlight the text, click on the columns, and actually edit the text right here. It's important to do this. When we try to add a picture, you're going to see that it asks for a source that's outside of the website. So if we're going to add a picture, the best way to do it is actually work in the column section, which is here. So the first thing we're going to do is add a picture. And so I'm going to add a picture. I've already uploaded our picture. And there it is. Let me insert that in the page. And click right in front of, oops, there we go. And add media. There it is. Insert in the page. Now we're going to do the rest of our editing in columns. So I have my text here. Paste it in here. And with the formatting tool, I'm going to align this to the left. And I'm also going to get rid of, in this column, picked 1. Okay, and then I have more text. Left, and I'm going to add, whoops, almost forgot to remove the pick 2 here. And then I'm going to add the columns, which is basically like saving. Now we're almost done here, but these are bulleted, so let me bullet these particular items. Bulleted, and I'm going to update. And here you can see what it looks like live. You can see we have the bulleted next to this image and a description